Wait a minute, we have tables. Okay, the engine bay of the... This is the Rolls key, an umbrella. Almost 650k in euros. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Inside series of this big beautiful Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. I'm at Tito Motors in Eindhoven, the Rolls-Royce distributor of the Netherlands, and they have revealed this Phantom 8. We're gonna do a full Inside series on the exterior, interior, but first let's have a look at the option list. Okay, I need to acknowledge guys, this is gonna be the most luxurious option list talk ever in the Rolls-Royce. So let's first close the door with a button. Thank you. Okay, the option, wait a minute, we have tables. Okay, so the option list: Rolls-Royce Phantom, gunmetal premier silver exterior colors, interior bespoke interior Armagnac black signature, and bespoke is your personalization guys. A few base details: the Phantom package, 22-inch part polished forged alloy wheels, Rolls-Royce monogram to all headrests, Starlight headliner, immersive seating with third seat. Okay, chrome plate visible exhausts, orbit grey wheel centers, short coachline single, the gallery cascade steel, Rolls-Royce bespoke audio, embossed SOE 2 doors, single coachline, elevating footrests, tread plates Phantom, colored stitching, pinstripes, the VIN plate, and lamb's wool footmats. Okay, so this is like a lamb. Hello lamb. Okay, giving this model a price of almost 650k in euros. A little note on the car, it's a pre-production model, so it's almost identical as a production model. So the Phantom 8, after 13 years, a new model. The Butterfly limousines. So the big grille. They've redesigned the big grille over here. Over here we have laser lighting, communicating with some heat sensors in the grille. Over here we have a camera for the front line. There we have the badge. Here we have the two park pilots. Park pilot here and over there. The car is fully equipped with sensors. If you look back closer there, you can see an intercooler because she's powered with a twin turbo engine. Really luxurious designed day driving lights over here. Inside the headlights you can see the Rolls-Royce logo. Okay, the front wheels. So when you're driving, your Rolls-Royce logo stays like this and doesn't move along with your wheels. So we have two 55, 45, 22 inches. The rim design are chromed with, well, I think that this is the gray color of the exterior. And also over here you have your logo, another badge on the side. So here you can see a camera in the side mirror. Here we have the two handles to open the doors. So two-tonish, the grey and the gunmetal grey on the roof. And on the rear wheels we have measures of 285, 40, 22 inches. Okay, the rear design. So this is the new rear LED lights of the Phantom 8. This is the rear tailpipe and pipe, chrome integrated with the two exhausts from the V12 twin turbo. Also in the rear lights you can see the Rolls-Royce badge. I'm not your tallest, I'm like 177, but this is like so high. Everybody is small in this car. Okay, let's pop the hood and pop the trunk. Okay, trunk open, hood open. Okay, so the trunk, well, we're talking about one serious limousine over here. You want to see the size of the trunk, look at this. So you can fit some serious luggage in the trunk space. Okay, the engine bay of the Phantom 8. Twin turbo, 12 cylinder, producing 563 horsepower. And sharing technology from the BMW M760Li. Phantom, hand-built in Goodwood, England. So we're talking about luxurious stuff, so everything is automatic here. Let's close this up. Let's close this huge engine. Okay, we have double locking mechanisms. So we're gonna click this by hand. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's get inside. Where are we gonna start? So most of the owners sit in the back seats. Okay, so the big doors. So we have bespoke leather choices, brown with black. This is all chrome. This is your handle to close the door actually. So we have memory seats. This is massage function. Here we control the windows, folding the side mirrors, control for the trunk, and the high-end audio system. Okay, so in the door indication we have LED lightened Phantom badge, and we have the floor mats in lamb's wool. We have the big comfort seats that are fully electronical adjustable. Okay, so how is it to get in the new Phantom 8? So the car is really high, it's a seriously big car, so your entrance is more comfortable as normal. Look at this. Wow, this is like super easy entering. So this Phantom 8 also have electronic closable doors. So over here I have a button, and if I push the button, wow, she closes fully automatically. Welcome inside this insane luxurious Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. Okay, so when driving the Phantom 8, this is your view. This is the luxurious steering wheel with the full controls of the car, lane assist, cruise control, audio, etc. On this side we have the controls for the lights, and these light switches are seriously heavy duty. Look how cool that is. And these buttons are all metal, feels so good. Okay, here we have the control for the vents. So to engage or disengage the air vent, you just pull this pin. And yes, it's a full metal pin. So the speedos, digital. On the dash we have again the bespoke leather brown and black with the contour stitching. There we have a high definition heads-up display. Here we have a really known sat-nav, sharing technology from BMW, the mother company. And here we have the gallery with a metal art design choice. Wow. And here we control the famous star, LED star sky. Here we go, we need some stars. Beautiful. So let's continue at the center console. So we have two vents. Access and you can engage and disengage them with the two pins over here. This is your volume button. In the center, really nice to have a center volume button. Look at the detail. The volume button of the sat-nav has some leather on it. Nice. This is the control for the radio. Over here we have the controls for the climate system. Again, the button with leather and a seriously heavy duty touch. So if you need some temperature changes, here you can mix your temperature. Blue for cold and red for hot. And we have two discs to mix the temperatures. Okay, so this is actually the Rolls key. Not bad, not bad. So this is the Rolls key. It's a big key. Identical as BMW has. Here we have a lift system, up and down, park pilot controls and your camera view. Here we have a big armrest. All leather. Leather is ruling. Leather is ruling this interior. Wow. With the passenger seat, Rolls Royce badge, big headrest, and a serious, you can see how thick the seat is. That's because of the functions for the rear passengers. Bespoke brown leather with some chrome details here. So this is the gallery. You have your options to choose your art design. What do you have? So if you want gold, if you want some design from the sea, you can have all kind of options for this gallery view, giving your car like serious art. There's some cool detail. You think you can touch this, but this is actually glass. So there's glass in front of your whole dash interface. This is your driver view, but most of the owners sit in the back seats. Why? Because it's a luxurious Rolls Royce with a driver mostly. So let's get in the back seats and let's see all the features from the back seats. Okay, so the rear seats. Starting in the doors again, we see again the bespoke leather brown with black. High-end audio. Here we have the controls for the rear climate system. We have the mixture for your temperature, the disc, heated seats, and memory seats. Some black leather with contrast white stitching. And an umbrella. Like all Rolls Royces, in color of your interior. Okay, the entrance of the rear seats is again so easy because of the size and the height of the car. And again we have here the door controls, so the door closes automatically. Here we go. Okay, so the rear seats, first impression. Wow, let me just show you my point of view. When sitting in the back seat of the Phantom 8, this is your view. So here you have your door controls, your volume controls, and your feet adjustments. So wow, look at this. Okay, so over here, what do we have again? Okay, here we have a table with a big display, so you can watch some movies if you want. Okay, this is the big center armrest. Also electronic adjustable seats here. Some extra arm space and a 12-volt input. That's nice. And here we control all media of the rear interface. Wow, look at this. Oh, what up? Okay, so over here you control your screens on the left and the right. Wow. So here we have the two buttons to control the left and the right table and the screen. Here in the center we have two small vents. This is the lamps wall again. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's have some close-ups at the rear seats. So these are some leather cushions. So the headrest in the rear are designed in 3 parts. Oh, you can also do your makeup stuff over here. Okay, here we have some controls for some lights again. Okay, so I have my personal so over here I control my personal star sky. Wow. Wow, wow. Beautiful. Alright guys, so hey, wow, this luxuriousness level, I think this is the roof. You cannot go any farther on luxuriousness. Seriously, I think you cannot go farther on luxuriousness. This is the end, this is the roof, this is the top of the top of the top. Okay, so thank you for watching this inside series of this Phantom 8. It might be, it's not a regular inside series as you are used to be, because this is like a showroom setup. But this car is temporary here. Tomorrow the car is gonna go back to England. So I wasn't able to film the car outside for you guys. Anyway, let me know what you think about the car, of course, in the comment section below. If you need any more info, just send me a DM on my Instagram, and I will see you definitely on the next one. Thanks for watching. Ciao.